Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I've got a couple of Henrys in front of me, and I've just been tinkering with the supply that comes through, with the electricity that comes through these little boards. This one's broken, and so I need to fix this board. I've got one with a broken board, and I've got one that had a broken cable reel. So I'm going to combine the two, and it'll be a pretty silent, basic video. If you want to check out, I'll put a link somewhere to the other videos for testing out these little motor controllers. You can have a look at it. What they do is they reduce the voltage. They chop the wave of power. They chop the sine wave back so that it's putting less electricity. Very, very quickly they chop it back, so it's putting less electricity into the motor. But for now, this video is not about that, and you can tell that I'm running on the limits of what I understand with these machines. This video, 1 minute in, is about putting a Henry back together. So then this one has good guts, and this one has a good cable reel. So I think this should be pretty straightforward. This one's got a red board in here, and that one works. Just have to line these up and snap it all back together, I think. Yeah, that's that. This is going to be pretty simple, I think. This one, the carousel goes in. Just wind it up for convenience. Put that like that. This one can go. I don't need it anymore. But I do need to put this cover plate back on here on the front, so it just hooks on, snaps on both sides. That's that. Then I need a lid. They're both identical, so it doesn't really matter. So this one goes on. I've got to hook this little piece of plastic into the top here. Drop it down like that. That's it. Quite simple, really. Underneath, we've got 7 screws. One was already in position, and I just need to screw them in. This is not an impact driver, it's just a bit that's a bit worn. Just check them all. Then over here I've got a base, a Happy Henry, and this one I've washed it out previously, and I've put a filter in it that is not new, but is pretty clean because I've washed it in a washing machine. And if you're going to use this, put a bag in it as well. You can use them wet, but people say you can't. There's very little space for using them wet. Like, they can really only take 2 or 3 litres, which is not much in wet and dry land. Offer the top back up. Snap it back together. Oh, we're not getting on right there, Henry, are we? What's going on? It should be right. That's it. Top's on. So let's plug it in and see if this Henry's working. It should have a high-low function. So let's put my hand up here, turn it on. So that appears to be working fine. He's got his soft start and high-low. He's even got a pat test sticker there from a long time ago. That's a Henry. I've got hoses and stuff for this one, so that's excellent. I don't know if I'll sell it. What I'll probably do is just pass it on, keep it, and then if a friend wants it or something, I can pass it on to them later. I'm up to about 5 Henrys at the moment, so I don't really need to keep any more. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.